So maybe you are a real estate investor, like I talked about in the last video, where you just don't see what a virtual assistant could do for you, and you're like the teacher who's doing it all yourself from beginning to end. Let me show you specifically what I have virtual assistants do for me in my property management real estate investing business. First, I have my VA who does accounting and bookkeeping. They keep my personal accounts as well as my real estate investing accounts. So when transactions come in, they're categorizing them. So at any point I can go in and know what my spending is, what categories it is, how much I spent. I can have all of those details well categorized. So I have the data to make smart decisions, both on my personal finances and on my real estate investing, property management, bookkeeping. Then they also, as a part of that, will handle any tax reporting, like for properties. There's some tax I have to pay for a short-term rental in one of my properties. They handle filling out that form and submitting that every month. They handle checking our property mortgage statements and updating that in our accounting. They handle reconciling our QuickBooks every month as well, and also filing a personal property tax return for one of our properties. Then we have my executive assistant who handles a lot of the other tasks for property management. They promote our short-term rentals on social media with something once a month. They create graphics of guest reviews as part of that promotion. They handle all guest communication during their shift. So especially with 3 short-term rentals and a few long-term rentals, if anything comes in, they're handling that and handling the issue during their shift. If there's something where they need a handyman, a plumber, or whatever, they're handling it. They order supplies, like supplies for the cleaner or things that break. They're handling checking in on the daily and weekly check-ins and making sure everything's going well. They coordinate the routine pest treatment. They handle paying the cleaner's invoice, verifying it's correct, and paying that every month. They also coordinate a monthly handyman check in our short-term rentals. They coordinating a deep cleaning in the short-term rentals twice a year. Similarly, twice a year HVAC inspections for all of our properties. And they also coordinate the annual termite check where that's applicable, and they pay annual LLC registrations for us. So I think that that's a good amount off my plate that virtual assistants are now handling. If you're ready to get a virtual assistant for yourself, I have 2 great options for you. I have my online self-paced course that walks you through how to do it all yourself if you're a DIY sort, and I have a full-service virtual staffing agency if you'd prefer the concierge approach. Just reach out and let's talk.